This is Dez here at Grok Trade and the markets go bullish. And it is Wednesday, December 3rd, 2014. And in fair warning, next week Mark will be standing in for me while I take my family off to the Caribbean for a little R&R next week. Looking forward to that. Here we are in markets. Go slightly bullish here. We have the S&P up 0.38%, Dow up 0.18%, Nasdaq up 0.4%. However, small caps doing fairly well, up 0.9%. Banks confirming today's bullish move, up 0.85%. VIX also confirming today's bullish move, down 3%. Gold up 1%, but silver off a fraction. Crude oil break even with the US dollar up 0.32%. And transportation index showing some bullish activity here in comparison to the Dow. And here we are taking a look at the S&P daily. The bearish divergence on the MACD is still in play. Now we are running back up here, and one thing I want to show you is this high that we received, and that high puts us back here at November 28th. We are fighting with that now. We did hit an all-time record high today, but we retraced back, and the question is, will this turn into a double top? That's the huge question. We are at a big time pivotal point here. If we break through, hard telling how long that leg may run. However, with the big bearish divergence, and we have the sloping of momentum here on price action on 500 blue chip companies out there, this would be a great area to find resistance and for sellers to come in and drive it down. Now, Thursday and Friday, if those are bearish days, that puts the market in a very bad position, technically speaking, for the bulls. Now, so what will it do at this high? An area, I mean, the question is, can we get over 2075? Can that happen? If so, it's hard telling where the ceiling will be. So that's something we're watching very closely on the NASDAQ here. Sloping over, trying to bounce off these moving averages, but the trajectory is sizably different than what it was here. You can see this trajectory straight up and now much slower. It'd be interesting to see. Relatively speaking, NASDAQ is lagging the S&P because the S&P made an all-time high and is at the previous high. However, NASDAQ not doing as well. It's actually down quite a bit from the 4,800 area that I assume will be resistance. Now, take a quick look at the VIX. Here's the VIX daily. It's in a downtrend, lower swing highs, lower swing lows, just chopping around right here. Something to be watching for is this low area right there. We get to this area, that's a big time support area. Be looking for that to go higher. That means if we do get there, the chances are the markets will start to go bearish, giving back some. Take a quick look here at gold. Gold back above resistance. Resistance here. We broke resistance 2 trading days ago on Monday. We stalled yesterday. Today we're back above it, so we're looking for more upside potential. I am holding this long. Silver I'm holding long also. We're at a resistance point. Resistance. If we can break through here, that'd be pretty bullish for precious metals. We'll see if that can actually happen. And on the tech side of things, let's see here. Amazon was down 3%. Amazon down 3%. Big. I mean, Amazon's just not doing so well this week at all. So big drop there. And Taser's off 2%. I like that, but people bought in to that weakness. I'm looking for more of a pullback so I can reload a position. So really nothing else to speak of here. So that's it. Take care, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow.